Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Alright, so guys, we are starting from Nifty. Guys, remember, this is not a tip or a call. This is just my view on market and how I'm going to trade tomorrow. Okay, that's it. Please use this just as a reference, and this is just for the educational purposes. So if you guys see, we were about to short it here. I did not have any idea for shorting. I actually had, but then I did not. It's because 20,007 35 was my very good level for me. It looked very good for me. From here, I don't know why I did not short it, but I didn't have a proper I was not emotionally intact there, so I did not short it. Okay, if it would have come from this location, then I would have definitely shorted it, but because here, no, I did not. But this was a very valid swing. Okay, so it came to our level today. Okay, that is 20,000 and just a minute. Okay, that is 20,950. Tomorrow, if market opens little gap up or gap down somewhere, I'll be shorting it from here. Okay, and my take profit will be at 20,865. Okay, the second where I'll be shorting, I'll be adding more position only here. That is 20,735, and below will be where I'll be shorting, adding more position to this. Okay, so there is a very high probability it can go sideways, but let's see how the market works. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, we are still holding on to this trade. Okay, so what happened today in the morning? It came here. I thought it will breach down, but unfortunately it did not breach. Immediately the next candle went up. If it would have survived here, that is, if it would have survived here, I would have added this extra position, but it did not. But tomorrow I'm expecting it to come down here and survive. That is, give me one or two resistant candles here, so I'll be able to short it more. So tomorrow I'll be adding more position to my already winning position. That is, we were on 1:5. Okay, so we were on 1:5. So let's see how it works tomorrow. If it goes to 46,925 and below, I will be shorting it again, and my target will be 46,520. Okay, so US oil, if you guys see, what is happening is we took this trade. Okay, it is on totally sideways now. I exited here, guys. I last week on the analysis I told I'm expecting a price of $68, and it did come to 68. It even went to $67.70. Good. This was a very good risk to reward ratio trade. If you guys see in 15 minutes time frame, anybody, if somebody would have traded our key level strategy here, okay, even here, if they would have shorted it, kept 25 point stop loss, okay, the first one would have hit the stop loss, but the second one would have given more than 1:2. That is wait, I'll show you. This hit stop loss. You can enter this trade here somewhere, and this would have taken the stop loss. Alright, so enter this trade here, this would have taken the stop loss. So if anybody would have entered here, kept the stop loss of 25 points again. Okay, so this trade would have worked out like this: 1:8. 1:8. Let's keep it like 1:10, because it has gone 1:10. If you guys see logically, 1:10. So see, you're losing 2,500 for how much is this? For 10,000. Okay, that is 1:10. That is, just a minute. No, that is for 25,000 actually. Yeah, shit, I'm sorry, for 25,000. So this is the risk to reward ratio we are looking here. Okay, this is how we are supposed to trade. Okay, you should trade only risk to reward and probability only. That is going to give you a bigger bigger winning trades. So next, where will I short again? So this is a good rejection level. Okay, this is a good resistance level. Now it might take support here, and then it might go up. It might go up till this to take the liquidity. Let it go. I'm not interested at all, because from here market has gone once. Now there is a very high probability it can go from here, but am I going to enter? No, I don't think so. But if I see a green candle, small green candle, I might enter a small trade here and leave it off. Even if it hits my stop loss, is totally fine. I don't have any issues. Let's see how this trade goes. But I'll be shorting again post $67.60. I'll be shorting it again. Okay, so this is the trade breakdown, and this trade was also done. So let's close this. This is the next next strategy, next entry is here for me, here or here. These are the two entries for me. That is if I see a one small bullish momentum at $68.95, I'll buy it. My stop loss will be at $68.70 somewhere, and my take profit will be at 1:3, because this is a counter trend. 1:3, it's better to come out. But if it breaches down, okay, breaches down post $67.55, I'll be looking forward to short it and hold it. I don't know, the downside I'll be trailing my stop loss. Alright, so that's for US oil. Next is gold. If you guys see gold, we had an SL hit here. This trade is still intact, this is also intact, but this one we entered here and it hit my stop loss. Okay, so I entered here, took my stop loss in this candle, which is totally fine. It's just one candle. Okay, but if you guys see, the profit candles are a lot. Okay, there's a lot of profit candles here. It is just one small candle. Okay, so it's not a big deal. So it might reverse from this place. If market is properly negative, it might reverse from this place, because if you guys see, this selling candle is a very, very strong selling candle. Yeah, that is, this selling candle is a very strong candle, so there is a high probability it might spike up and then return. Okay, so I can be 100% wrong too, just my analysis I'm saying it. Okay, so I will add more position at 1975 or 1987. These are the two positions where places where I'll be adding more positions. Okay, but I'm sideways on gold. Mostly I'm sideways on gold. I'm not negative nor positive, I'm just sideways on gold. So we have four more stocks for swing trading. First one is SPIC, Southern Petroleum. We have entered here, we are adding more positions. So tomorrow, if this stock, or coming days, if this stock breaches anywhere, 86 rupees was breached, and if it survives near 87 rupees, I will be buying it and I'll be holding it for a long run. Okay, so it is on an uptrend. So twice it has been tested twice, that is resistance has been tested twice solidly. We can expect momentum if it passes 86 rupees. Next is National Fertilizers. National Fertilizers has given its breakout on a triangle pattern. Okay, so if I get a price of 83 rupees or 84 rupees, I will buy it, and my stop loss would be at 79 rupees and 45 paise. Okay, so this is for National Fertilizers. Next is Madras Fertilizers. Madras Fertilizers, we had a stop loss hit here. So see, I'm getting all this stocks from my screeners, and there is something called as sector rotation. Okay, so sector rotation video will be covered this Friday, so stay tuned to that. That is a very, very informative video. In that, which I will cover which all stocks to actually trade and which all stocks are having higher potential. You'll be able to find it. Okay, so Madras Fertilizers already gone up, but I will definitely keep an eye, because this is a resistance. If the price comes anywhere close to this, that is 107 or 106, I will definitely buy it and I hold this. Okay, that's for Madras Fertilizers. Next is India Bulls. India Bulls also, we are keeping it on our radar, and if I get a price of 77 rupees, I'll be purchasing it, or if I get a price of 96 rupees, I'll be purchasing it. These are the two levels I'll be looking forward to purchase India Bull Real Estate. Next is Ujjivan. Ujjivan has already given a breakout. It is coming for a retest. So tomorrow, Ujjivan, I will be buying at 59, that is 60 rupees, and my stop loss would be at 57 rupees. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got something to learn from this video. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.